in right triangles ABC and DEF, if hypotenuse AB equals to EF and side AC equals to DE, then ABC is congruent to what? DEF or EDF or EFD. So here it's like this. What they want is exactly where the right angle is. AB is what? Hypotenuse. This EF is hypotenuse. So C will be at right angle and D will be at right angle. So ABC. So it will be EFD. EFD is the right answer. Next, triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle at point B. Then the longest side is AC. See this, obtuse angle is at B. So longest side will be AC. Next, difference of any two sides of a triangle is dashed and the third side. See here, this is the right angle triangle. Pythagorean triangle we call it. The right angle is at over here. So 5, 4, 3. Difference between any two. 5 minus 3, 2, less than 4. 4 minus 3, 1, less than 5. 5 minus 4, 1, less than 3. So is always less than the third side.